Hi guys, okay, so I want to explain to you a really easy, delicious, healthy meal you can whip up in no time. So what you'll need is some low-fat, leaner ground turkey, ground chicken, even ground beef if you love that. Some people prefer that over the ground turkey or the ground chicken. I'm gonna use 97% fat-free ground turkey because I have some right now, so I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna cut up some of my favorite green bell peppers, some onion because, okay, onions, they add so much flavor, not a lot of calories, and it's just another good micronutrient to add to your meal. Cilantro, and man, if you guys have never had these little sunburst cherry tomatoes, these are so good. They add a ton of flavor to any meal. Cook up your meat, chop up your vegetables. You could even saute your vegetables if you want. I love them raw myself, so I just throw them in there raw along with the onions. Put it all in a bowl with chopped up lettuce, cauliflower rice. If you don't keep frozen vegetables, especially frozen cauliflower rice in your house, you should, because lifesaver, time saver, and then also maybe even just a little bit of rice if you're not too terribly worried about carbs. Easy meal, kids love it, adults love it, and it's also healthy, high in protein, low in fat.